Louis Mandailor. Uyu we ni icyamamare kuva na kera muramuzi, ukiniye Saints and Sinners, Debt Collectors n'abishyuzi. Vladimir Kulich muramuzi, ndaza kumube uyu mugabo aratwika. Hano wari udutangiranye ku gashati ke kuri tatuwaje ku kirombe mu ntoki, dore uburyo atambura duraga kwitu, dore ubwibone dodododo, afite uburyo agenda abakobwa bagahindukira mbega imboga hari wagira ngo ni Rocky duhuye. Kuri iyi ninjiye muye nazo ziba ziri baduraga kwitu, no afite amafiyeri, mfite amafiyeri do hewana ngiyewe, ariko nta uramubona, ariko uramubona kandagira ubutaka butoneka. Ni nani tutangiranye nawe? Marina Sirtis nawe karimo afite buryo kigenda mu nyuma, afite agashati ku buryo agashati kakagurishije yagura ikibanza Nyarutarama. Hey, urumva urwego ibintu bye bimaze kugeraho. Umugabo uri hano dore ikirombe ku kaboko, arabanza reba ku gapapuro. Uyu mugabo ninde? Nuko tugatangiye. Wumva ndacyari umwe ku mubumbe, filime huye nanjyegaho kahuye n'umunyutsi. Akorin tutangiriye mu kabari, hari abantu ku manywa baranywa, wamenyemo amafaranga ni Scott Adkins. Uze ngiyi filime niye ntago ari bya bindi bamukoresheje, yamenyemo umufungo. Urumva inyungu nayo ni nyinshi. Louis Mandailor nakubwiraga ubona, ariko yinjiye hano. Yeah, umugabo yinjiye hano. Katorore ari na Rikiros umupampe nzanira ko kunywa. Iyi filime yazanywe n'umupampe bita nde? DJ Bullet. Mambo vipi? Nawe ndagusuje n'abakiriya bawe kuri 40. DJ Bullet ni cyamamare. Mugabo yicara hano mu kabari, kunywa rega nago bigira amasaha. Ni mu kabari abantu baranywa, byeri ziranywebwa. Hano hari uri kurira muki?
No one gonna go with the ginger ale.
Muri hangana. Yeah. Sibyo? Muri hangana.
You know one make it a diet.
Yeah, I gotta check if we have that.
Okay, you do that.
Beer.
Yeah. Bisebiti. Hano arabari guserera. Hari ubagwiriye. Ubagwiriye. Scott Adkins baramugwiriye icyamamare. Ntacyo ubikoreho.
Right, get out.
Wait.
Get out.
Ureke kurwana.
Outside. Get outside.
Sorry hands.
Harry Styles. This don't concern you.
Ntago bikureba.
He kicks 7 shades of shite out of each other for.
Umva nimba mushaka kurwana mujye kurwanira hanze, ntago mbyitayeho cyangwa se mutume nanjye mbijyamo.
You think you are?
Cye kuri iki?
Don't do it.
Ntubikore.
Listen, mate.
Nyumva.
Calm down, okay? You see him?
Uramubona uriya?
Guy. His name's Irv, and that's
Bamwita Alfie. Ni boss wanjye.
strict instructions. I gotta take
Ejo bundi yamaye amabwiriza
inside the premises, okay?
ko urugomo rwose no kurwana bijye bera hanze. Uyu ni bounce waka kabari.
Cause a bit of damage and.
Ubushize nakubise abantu ibintu birangirika.
Okay, so please.
Mubwira ko nzahinduka rero musoke. Nanjye ndagize utwo kurya twa mu gitondo. Baramuseka.
And lads,
Nabasinzi.
March is faggy.
Mugingo burya avugamo icyongereza wagira ngo
We did 100.
n'umwongereza. Tangira kumutuka.
250 years.
Muzi byo twabakora imyaka 100 ishize.
Isn't it?
Ni imyaka 250 ahubwo.
Only a fair fight back then, was it?
It was us,
Abongereza n'Abanyamerika.
and we kicked
Twebwe Abanyamerika twari duhanganye namwe Abongereza.
all the way back across.
Twarabakubise tubambutse inyanja ya Atlantique.
I'm crying.
Mwagiye murira. Musubira ku mwamikazi wanyu w'ibeach.
Well, it wasn't a queen.
Ntago umwamikazi rero uyoboye Ubwongereza icyo gihe yari umwami.
King George III to be precise.
King George wa gatatu.
I expect you lot to know that.
Ese ubundi abantu
In
nkamwe
your life, have you?
ntago menye murasoma igitabo na kimwe mu buzima.
Treat yank fucks. So you had help from the Spanish, the French, oh, and the Dutch.
Ati ngiye nshobora kuba ndi Umufaransa, ndi Umwespanyolo, namwe ntabwo muzi wo muri nyine Abanyamerika usanga igihugu ari cyarahuye n'abantu benshi.
I fucking like these odds. Because like good old King George always used to say,
Umwami cyo gihe avuga ngo gwiro no duhangane nimba mubishaka. Abantu baracuranga. Hey. Nambara. Yarareba. Hey. Uyarareba. Sore. Fite. Buryo cyabangutse mano. Katurare. Hey. Kick. Tera. Punch. Hey. Mutebutsi. Namuzanye. Hey. Basinzi baje kunywera mu gakungu. Bounce akabara kubita. bise biti yeah abacuranga baracuranga nicyo bahemberwa punch hey pok 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 hey mugwe hiri nyuma yawe Frenchy nyuma ye gete hey katurare kibando cha biyari
Cheers, mate. I gotta tell you something.
Cheers, mwana urarenze pe uracyatwika baraziranye va mu gice cya mbere punch ntebe hey sore kura menyo poko punch yeah
I thought you were dead.
natekereje ko wapfuye
Don't you believe me? A story for another.
nanjye naketse ko wapfuye mwana kigori kiwe
Outside, French.
soka mu French we soka mwita French
I love this fucking place.
hano nakunze cyane
Don't do this, okay? I need this.
Kana bino wibikora boss yaje kumutunganya nyirakabari ni bouncer yakubise abana mene bintu
That doesn't have to be renovated.
umva nyine club buri cyumweru batazajya baza gukuvugurura bongera bagura ibintu mwabyangije
Sure. And your unpaid bar tab.
uyemo ibintu wangije by'intebe ndakwishyura 80 utahe ndakwirukanye umusore baramwirukanye
Find someone else to scrape up.
bana handi muntu wabona ukora akazi neza nkanjye banyumva mwana nuko bose babavuga vayo
It's nice to see that things working out for you, pal. I'm very happy about
yeza kubona ibintu bimeze neza hano mwana
it. You know what it's worth if you want to finish
barabagenga kubise byari bikwiye
the place next door, maybe.
nimba tuko kurya twe twa mu gitondo utatumaze tugende ngugurire
Since you got no job no more.
ubwo ye nakazi ugifite bakwirukanye ndakugurira baraziranye
Come on, French.
tugende ngukarage French ujye kumukaraga utwo kurya twa mu gitondo
Just French, by the way.
man ibyo kurya ugiye kungura birabari iby'abafaransa ariko baje kurya to sorry ifite ukuntu ry'ibintu kamenamo ibintu ukabona biteye isesemi uyu biramubangamira iki kikoryi
I can't believe it.
ntabwo nabyizera
I believe you sat right here in front of me.
ntabwo nakwizera ko yicaye imbere
Oh, okay, you were a gunner.
naketse ko wapfuye mwana
Believe me, I was
nyizera man
like 2 times on that slab. Yeah?
bandashe inshuro zigera muri 3 n'ubundi nari meze nkaho napfuye
I probably wouldn't be here right now.
iyo bitaba Tommy ntabwo nari kuba nkiriho
Yeah. Got shot up pretty bad, Frenchie. Stomach. On the vertebrae.
bandashe mu nda
Wanna pick-
mu rubavu
Can you imagine?
no hasi y'ibihaha
Someone have to leave one in near my spine.
man byansizemo n'imvune ikomeye cyane
Well, kudos to you, mate, because, you know what?
urabizi
As zombies go, you're looking alright.
njye ndabona usa neza ariko
So where's my coat?
imodoka yanjye iri hehe
Oh, I'm fine, see. Don't worry.
meze neza su
Took it. Yeah, thanks for asking.
nanjye narakomeretse ariko meze neza
Good, just-
ntabwo ari ibyo nkubaza
Oh, come on, Frenchie.
French
How you doing, really? I'm sorry, just... How you doing?
babara ariko umeze uti
I'm pretty good.
meze neza
Took 2 in the chest. 1 here.
bandashe hano nanjye irindi hano
I don't know how, but somehow managed to crawl back to the car, right, and drive the...
ndagenda nkambakamba ninjira mu modoka nijyana kwa muganga
Right. I mean, I've seen a soldier shoot himself in the foot, and
nibonye umusirikare wirashe mu kaguru arapfa
Sinama.
ariko ibaze ko njye bandashe kabiri mu gatuza simfi
he's a fucked up thing.
imana urumva ukuntu ibintu byikora
Had to black the police at the hospital, though. Told them my gun went off whilst I was cleaning it.
nabwiye abapolisi kwa muganga ati narindi guhanagura imbunda ndirasa urabizi iyo ugiye kwa muganga nyine warashwe bagomba kumenya warasiwe he
So where's my coat?
imodoka yanjye ariko iriya yakomeje kuba imoso yakabisimbuka
Shoot out that loving bedside manner of yours, did they?
yarongera asimbuka ikibazo umva turavuga ku modoka yanjye iri hehe
Consoled that, can't they?
imodoka yo narayigurishije
What happened to...
wakoze ibiki
With what?
wegurishije nande kubera iki hehe
With Chop Shop, didn't you?
imodoka yo narayigurishije hahandi bagura amapiyese bayiguze mu piyese bayicagaguyemo
Listen, that was like a bullseye for every...
mani icyo gihe neza ko wapfuye
So I flogged that thing.
muri East Los Angeles nagomba kuyigurisha none nagurishije
Did you sell this
wayigurishije angahe
vehicle for?
iriya modoka yari ihenze
I don't know, it's about 6 grand.
ibihumbi 60 ibihumbi 60 mwana
Rims?
iriya modoka yari yambaye cyane kungurishiriza imodoka ibihumbi 60 arasara
I am sorry.
mutubabarire
Control. My apologies.
byose bimeze sa mutubabarire bari basaze imodoka ye barayiriye
You're unbelievable.
ma ntabwo ntabyizero pe
Like this tone.
ibyo bintu uri kuvugana nubwo ndi kubyumva
I haven't got a fucking tone. What
Yeah,
are you
you
talking about?
do, you do. I come as a friend. I catch the bus to come and see my friend. I come
kuba
home.
naje hano nje kureba inshuti yanjye warangiza ukambwira bino bintu byose
Mate, come and get your precious coupe.
mani wateze bisi uzi ko uje gutwara imodoka ye ngo yaje ateze bisi nicyo cyamubaje yaje muri shira umuteto
He's got a job for us. 2 days, 3 gigs. We're in, we're out. What do you say?
hari akazi nanone nari nkuzaniye ko kujya kwishyuza abantu batatu bano bitwa ba debt collector, ba debt collectors bo bajya kwishyuza.
Okay.
Wa muntu nyine wakwambuye urabatuma bakagenda bakamukubita bakabazanya amafaranga yawe. Bano bantu mushinga iyo koperative tubaha akazi so abantu banyambuye.
Can't do it. Listen to you, right? Let me tell you something else.
Kamubwire
Tommy, you owe him.
Tommy niwe wadutumye kuri ako kazi kandi umukesha ubuzima.
Okay, tell me one.
Kamubwire
I'll do it for Tommy. You can do it for the money.
nimba utabikora inshuti yacu Tommy bikorera amafaranga.
That's not true, right?
Urabizi urakeri.
Get the split 70K.
Turi kuganira ku bihumbi bigera muri 70 by'idolari hano.
How much?
Angahe?
Much?
Angahe mwana uvuze ngahe?
70K.
Ibihumbi 70.
Can be gone forever. You can go home.
Akazi kamwe tukahita twimanukira ntuzagirira ikindi kintu ongera uko ibihumbi 70 byinshi.
Best Frenchie, you know I need.
Wanafunguramo Jim French.
Yeah?
I'm getting nowhere with the just call me French thing, am I?
It's a term of endearment.
Mani ku cyubundi munyita French niryo zina ry'akazi twamenyereye.
One last job.
Mani dukore kano kazi kanyuma.
3 last jobs.
Tugiye kwishyuza nakubwo n'utuzi dutatu bagiye kwishyuza abantu batatu bahemba ibihumbi 70 by'idolari. Amafaranga menshi cyane.
I'll take
Uyu arabanza kure amafaranga. Reka bari nje wishyura. Uyu bana mwirukanye n'amafaranga afite.
leave another 20.
Reka musigire na ka tipu k'amadolari 20 kugira ngo ubone ko ibintu biriho.
I'll see you at 7.
Tubonanire hanze muginga nyiyemeyeho. Umuntu ugiye kuguha akazi nyina zikukenye hari ukuntu akwereka ko amafaranga ariho. Atanze tipu y'amadolari 20.
You think it might be a nice idea to let me know
Bashano.
live?
Well, I did consider doing that, Frenchie, but Tommy told me to remain incognito, so that's what I did, yeah?
Mani byose turabikorera. Tommy yagiye mfasha cyane.
Out of this shit pit.
Nakora gari.
I get fired same day you tell.
Uburyo banyirukanye nkahita mura nawe njyana mu kandi kazi ni ibintu bitangaje.
Oh, wait a minute, what the fuck is that?
Uretse gato mwana icyo ni gicu giyemo.
It's called a car, mate.
Iyi bayita imodoka.
Wheelchair with a
Iyi ni
fitted in, mate.
ati ni wheelchair nibega ni za ntebe z'ibicumba nuko ifite ikintu hejuru cyitwikiriye. Iyi ntago ari imodoka mwana. Uyu we ni ibandi nyine ni G igendera mu tumodoka tw'amafiyeri.
All right. And look, if we're gonna do
Mwana icyo kintu ntago nakinjiramo.
Oh, no, got no time.
Tujye mu rugo mpindura imyenda.
Hey, you look beautiful. On a
Ntagiye dufite urasa neza.
We have to first then. Las Vegas. So I don't
Tugiye Las Vegas ni wa mbere tugiye kwishyuza. Bano nabishyuzi. Ora batumatera umuntu ufite miliyoni bakagenda bakamukubita. Bamukubita yabishyura bakaryamo nk'ijana ryabo. Niko kazi bakora. Hey! Wakabona umuntu agenda mu muhanda buri gitondo kumbe niko kazi yikorera ariko washingaga koperative gakora ibyo bintu we. Kitwa abishyuzi. Bagiye Las Vegas kwishyuza. Bimeze bite? Bafashe inzira baturukaho bari berekera Las Vegas, Nevada. No buriya bucemba mbuzi neza cyane kubera nyine.
what music? Do you like?
Kubayo.
know we take it easy with the DJ, eh? What do you say?
Shyiramo akazi kimana wishyiramo ibyo bintu by'imiziki. Uyo zamu arabizima. Si wumva.
In Vegas then, mate.
We're sticking with it.
Batugiye muri Vegas.
Oh, the old Vig, eh?
So, we
Rebo tugiye kwishyuza rero.
have a look, Frenchie. My specs must have.
Kandebe tugiye kwishyuza nawe rebaho.
Hang on a minute.
Uretse gato.
This is number 2 on this list.
Uyu muntu tugiye kwishyuza Vegas kuma ari kuri liste wa kabiri.
Bird.
Witwa Maliz.
Gee, always stop furthest away from home and work your way back, yeah?
Urabizi cyane nakoraga kure mu rugo nza ugarukano. Uyu muntu tugiye kwishyuza Maliz.
Bonafide class act out of Louisiana,
Ni
yeah?
umugore watari wo muri Louisiana.
The kid Frenchie to work for the Ukrainian crime family.
Mbere yakoreraga umuryango w'abanya-Ukraine nawe wubarizwamo abagizi ba nabi.
Yeah.
Yarazi ibintu byose.
It was the mid-80s. I was
Icyo gihe yari muri za 80 yari afite imyaka nka 20.
an alias, yeah?
Atangira gukorana n'umuryango we.
She knew everything.
Akazi kose yagakoraga neza.
Was buried. After
Azi amafaranga aho bayabika ibintu byose famiye ye.
she became very rich, very powerful.
Amaze kugira imbaraga no kubona udufaranga umukobwa umunsi umwe yagize atya aravuga ati reka nice famiye yose amafaranga yabo ayasigarane. Famiye bari abagizi bane bose arabica. Ni Mariz ahari muri 80 yishe famiye yasigarana amafaranga niyo bagiye kwishyuza. Uyu muntu wishe famiye yakwishyura ati
Know all this, sir.
ibintu bizuta.
Failure family.
Uwo muryango w'abanya-Ukraine wuzuti.
I had this on and off thing with her for about 3
Je n'uwo mugore imyaka 3 ishize nako nyuma y'imyaka 3 amaze kwica famiye twaje guhura.
right?
Tubaje guhura nyine ntura umuntu hasi ndimanukira. Umugore w'ikihebe.
Don't fucking say.
Mano komishe ubivuge ko twaryamanye n'uwo mugore.
She looks in your eyes and she.
Akurebye mu maso ushobora kumenya ko nakubwiye ko twaryamanye. Yatwica.
Fuck, it sounds like a right crazy bitch to me.
Oh, she is Frenchie, but I don't want to wind up hurting her, you know, physically, I mean.
uwo mugore ni mubi cyane sinshaka ko tuza guserera nawe
Done.
I'm with
nta
Violet.
bintu by'urugomo nshaka ndashaka tugende dufata amafaranga tugenda
No more hurting my fellow man.
amani iri kuvuga ngo nta kubabaza abantu nta rugomo tugiye kwishyuza ubwo uravuga iki
Maybe, okay? Maybe it was fucking life-threatening.
Well, good luck with that.
wenda tugende tubatera ubwoba tubakange ariko ntiturwane
This though, right? How do you expect to collect 3 vigs in
urumva mu minsi ibiri twakwishyuza ahantu hatatu nta murwano ubayemo urumva byagenda gute
No.
ntabwo bishoboka
No.
niko mwavuga
You're gonna do 50-50, right? Partners.
turabunganiza turagabana 50-50 bari butwishyure
Let's hope it doesn't get to that.
Well, it probably fucking will, won't it? Let's be honest.
Do me a favor. Pull over to the next stop, Frenchie.
urabizi parika ari imbere mbanze nkwe byeri nteye n'icyaka ni umusinzi Eric Ross ifungura agafanta tube tuka ubu ni umupampu ushinzwe icyo kunywa n'icyo kurya muri Rock Entertainment turatwika z'abapampe mfite yaje akorena yeah Zan kuri sitasiyo yazana ashyiremo esanse nta bapompisite babayo kumbe bari kugenda yabonye ikimodoka gisa kiza aho bari kimeze gutyo we bamusereje ngo imodoka imeze nka bya bitebe by'ibicumba ngo nuko gifite ikintu cyitwikiriye hejuru ni wheelchair ifite rufu hejuru biginga batwara bwa modoka mbega nimba ujya ubona zimwe zanyu hey aza kureba ino modoka buno ntiyadukurikiye
He walking his ass over here.
mukinga azanye agatafari kano harimo abirabura babiri
So, lads, can I help you with something?
nabafashara mwereka imbunda
Can you?
ntabwo mbizi French wadufasha
Motherfucker.
subira inyuma uvuye wa mugingo ibara namuzi n'amazina ye ngo ni French ikangamo hey baranamuzi
Bitch ass motherfucker, man.
subira inyuma turori jira modoka
You okay, Frenchie?
meze neza French
See that black SUV?
urabona iriya modoka y'umukara ya SUV
Yeah.
Was a
Ndayibona.
massive blokes.
hari abaginga babiri b'abirabura
Fuck off machine gun.
abaginga bafite machine gun
What's that about?
bazi n'izina ryanjye ni bandi
They've been following me ever since I left.
kuva nava Los Angeles barankurikiye
Oh, yeah.
yego
Actually, they were outside your dive bar up in Rancho.
wabona boherejwe ngo baze kureba niba dukora akazi neza
Fishing skills back there, Frenchie. Just wondering.
baba bohereje nk'ikipe nyine iza kureba ko turi bwishyuza akazi kakagenda neza
Kicking on just took. Why they tailing that?
urumva ntabwo umuntu yakoreza kwishyuza amafaranga ye ntashyireho umuntu w'ingenzi wo kumenya ko numara kwishyuza utayacikana
What for?
bara ni abaje gucunga
For what?
Oh, yeah. To make sure we get the money and then make sure we don't run away.
nyine bara ni abagomba gucunga niba amafaranga nituyafata tutari buyacikane nta kindi
Who's Tommy collecting for?
Frenchie, I don't
ariko nitumi tugiye kwishyuriza amafaranga ni umuntu wacu aratuzi
wait. Get the money back to Tommy.
tugiye dufate amafaranga tuyasubize Tommy twitahire nta bindi gira vuba sasa bisa nkaho Tommy baziranye cyane ku buryo yumva ko Tommy ataka bashyizeho ingenza ziza gucunga nimba bakora akazi neza biramutunguye baje akurino bari kujya Las Vegas Nevada hey uyu ni umujyi wo gutwika iyo ufite yawe niho ujya kuyarira ubundi mbega ni umujyi wakiryo no kuryoshya baje muri uwo mujyi yeah
No, Frenchie. Just come in.
mbaye umunota umwe French
You alright, mate?
mwana umeze neza baje kureba ngo umugore bigeze kuryamana kera mubi cyane we n'umwicanyi
Scared.
witwa Maurice
You're afraid of any man. You know that, right?
Yeah.
But now, just the
uwo mugore mbere nibwo yari umuntu wanjye ubu arasigaye ari umuntu utandukanye
A deadline, aren't we? Remember?
mane dufite iminsi ntarengwa tukiri vuba tugende bari gukorera ku masaha ku minsi baba bamaze kuyishyuza bagiye kwishyuza umuntu wa mbere witwa Maurice bimeze bite hakurino baje mu kabari
Miss Reese is a busy woman, so be
Maurice murabizi ni umugore ugira akazi kenshi
get to the point quickly.
muvuge vuba ikibagenza munkurikire mubagezeho muvuge ikibagenza muhite mutaha
Check out the thighs on that.
nabonye kari agatafari we
Do you reckon she charges people to put in a scissor hold?
Gee,
mva
you be serious. You can.
mani baseri tayanyicishe utangira kureba udutafari ngo turi hano kumbe hakuri no muri ako kabari bajemo nakwitwa Maurice
check's still going, so stay out the way.
baje Akolino.
Time to get them a drink? All right, Mrs. Reese will be right with you.
Hey, take a
Hey.
please. And,
Giye mu amazi.
this guy whiskey.
Uyu muhe whisky.
It's a nice place. You should have stayed with her.
Uyu mugore ndabona ahantu heza yuza gukomeza ugakundana nawe. Cicika wakikora iki? Yakibwiye ngo giceceke. Ngo uwo mugore atamenya ko bavuze ko uyu baryamanye, atamenya ko nabikubwiye. Bya bintu bya Nshuti Joseph.
Linsky Golden Boy.
Solinsky Golden Boy Baker.
Turn of the main contender.
Ndabona wigarukiye dore wa mugore yarashaje.
Still a knockout.
Marizi na n'ubu uracyari mwiza pe.
But we both know it was you that got
Ako
knocked.
turabizi ko ari we icyo gihe wari urenze.
I made it back from that night.
Fayo.
Maybe I never will now. But either way, it's really nice to see you again.
Ariko hagati ni byiza kongera
The
kubona.
yard arm and
Izuba rimeze nabi hanze.
to say no to a job.
Ndabizi ntabwo wakwanga icyo kunywa.
Actually,
Urebye
kind of all finished with that now, Mel. Yeah, clean and sober all the way.
twe dufite akazi kenshi tugomba kurangiza kandi tutasinze bakiri soba.
It's the 155K.
Tommy yamamagaye ngomba kubishyura 155.
While the money's ready, I got a
Amafaranga yanyu arateguye.
phone call.
Bakimara kumamagara nahise nyategura ngo nyabahe. Ariko
Okay, okay.
nta mikino to
A
amafaranga.
large sum of money to save my bacon.
Nagurishije amafaranga menshi ngira ngo nite kuri business zanjye.
Then he goes and gets himself killed. So I think I got lucky and got off. But then
Uwo
he
nari nayagujije yaje kwicwa.
act.
None nuko nongeye kwishyuzwa n'undi muntu ariko ngomba kuyishyura ni mwene wabo. Katorore.
A long way through a hot blood.
Umva twafashe urugendo rurerure tuva kure.
When I had to pussyfoot around, so if you've already prepared the readies, let's have it. And we'll clear out, yeah?
Does the English shoe salesman know
Yeah.
talking to him what I do to
Uyu yari Akolino.
Boys.
Umva ntabwo nkunda utwana tw'uduhungu tuvuga gutyo tuvugisha abantu bakuru. Marizi.
Time listening, but
Nicyo gihe ngo twumve.
In my club, you call me Miss
Muri club yanjye banyita Miss Louise.
Respect, and I demand
Icyubahiro mba nyene hano.
Please.
Fa Miss Louise tubabarire.
And we'll go.
Tuba amafaranga twigendera ibyo by'ibyubahiro ni ibiki.
name, little
Witwa nde musore muto?
it's
Yitwa
they're calling French, just like
French mwite French.
off, Mr.
It's
French.
just French, by the way.
Umva nyita French wantu ureka ibintu byinshi.
Hillary. We've come a long way from LA. We have to go.
Umva twaturutse Los Angeles.
okay.
Turashaka gusubirayo.
Please.
Uyu yarakaye umusore yanga umugore hano uri kumusuzugura.
Miss Britt. She has your money.
Uriya Miss Brett afite amafaranga yanyu.
Give the bag to Mr. French.
Icyo gikapu gereza Mr. French. Akahita n'akamera kugira ngo mutazavuga ngo ntiyabishyuye.
She'll be shooting some footage.
Abagomba kubakamera kugira ngo bigaragare ko yabahaye.
The money's all there and accounted for.
You know what, Mallory? Maybe you should keep filming until we get all the way to the car if you plan on it.
Nimba asabwa muri abakamera mwadukamiye tukarinda tugera no mu modoka yacu tutagera imbere mu kayatwaka tutaragera no mu modoka.
Good.
Ni sawa? Ni sawa.
Why don't you hang with me a minute, Sue?
So wabaritse uretse tukaba turi kumwe gato. Mr. French n'abasohotse.
I'm sure Mr. French can find his own way.
Ka Mr. French n'ubundi bamugeze hanze inzira yaraza kuyibona. Mugore nakubwiye ati ikintu twitaho cyane hano ni ugusobanura filime ijambo kurindi biriya bintu umuntu azagasakuriza muri filime ngo nanjye ndatwika. Kuri hano ukogeza ntabwo ari ugusobanura.
Now you look like a jigsaw puzzle to
Kera wari bogari none dore ukuntu usigaye usa nabi. Ugiye n'iki kibazo. Bano nyine iminsi myiza ngo barayigiranye. Tukasatara abasaza n'umukecuru.
Can taste the caviar you had for dinner last night, Mal.
Uzi ko bise mu muriro ku bintu wariye ninjoro mu kanwa.
side. But you chose LA instead and look where
Wakagombye kuba arangumye iruhande tugakumana ariko wahisemo kujya muri LA Los Angeles.
it's tonight. I want you to think of me and the life that you
Ninjoro nuza kuba uri koga uze kwireba noneho wibuke ibihe byiza twakabaye twaragiranye ariko imvuga bakoresheje njyewe ngo ahantu yakabaye ari kureba ariko koga ninjoro sinabivuga ndiyubashye. Ngo naza kuba ari koga yireba aze kwibuka ibihe byiza bari kuba baragiranye n'uburyo umugore ngo yatwikaga.
Don't scare the fucking piss out of me, but your lips are magnificent.
Umva iminwa yawe iracyari myiza pe. Mukecuru imanuki mukecuru sire yukwe ni mukecuru imanuki muzehe cyakora tujye duceceka twarari ni urusaza rero twarariye twaranyweye nuko abantu badashima.
I'll tell you what, that was a piece of piss, wasn't it? She just gave you some...
Mani ko byari byoroshye isato amafaranga turagenda.
Mate,
umve
your problem.
si cyo
Was
kibazo
it a boy too easy French?
uburyo duhayemo amafaranga byoroshye ntabwo bisanzwe.
That's not the Mallory.
Marizi nzi ntabwo ari kuriya kora ntabwo yapfa kukwishyura gutyo kumbe koko bayabo. Yesu Kristo sinakubwiraga French bohereje umuntu ngaza twaka amafaranga bari batwishyuye ibaza umuntu yagukamiye kwishyura kugeza mu modoka uragenda arangije aragukurikira ya mafaranga yagwaye yakwake ubwo ntago wajya kuri boss umubwira ngo ntago banyishyuye boss yavuga ati barayagwaye nabonye video wayariye barabafasha kano kazi ko kwishyuza ntago kaba koroshye
Difference, right? Because this piece of shit couldn't get away anyway.
bafayo n'imbunda shaka amafaranga bamaze kubishyura mu kanya
What do we got here?
Ticyana
Machine gun, 3 batons. What do you want to do?
batatu bafite inkoni n'umwe ufite machine gun
Stars, it ain't denouncing you, is it, mate?
man ubundi njye ntabwo nkunda ibintu by'imirwano
Pay for the money, boys.
basore tuje gutwara amafaranga
We'll be nice back.
Look at this ginger prick. AK-47. That is pretty much the wankiest assault rifle anyone could get. $2 million.
uriya mugingo ufite imbunda wagira ngo ntazi no kuyikoresha
Then rest in the receiver. I bet this prick's never had a range session in his life. Okay.
afashe imbunda nk'umujangweri mbega
I'm gonna take him.
uriya ngiye kumufata ufite imbunda bari batatu basigaye nawe urwane
I'm
nabo
gonna get to take out 3. How's that?
man ufata umwe ngiye mfate batatu
Assault rifle. Sick.
umva njye ngiye gufata umwe ufite assault rifle imbunda mbi cyane
It's a girl.
She look like a girl. It's a fucking monster.
umwe ngarafata uw'imbunda undi afate batatu
Simple.
umva ngiye gufata uw'imbunda bari batatu ugenda bakubite ni ibintu byoroshye ibigabo byose ni indwanyi
Well, that means you're
yari
resting.
maze igihe nakubita umugore bivuze rero ngo wararuhutse noneho buno wamukubita neza umva ikigoryi ariko ngo nari maze igihe nakubita umugore ikindi ubwo nyine urumva wararuhutse nibwo uri bumukubite neza uyu agomba gukubita uw'imbunda gusa uyu akajya kuri ba bandi batatu bimeze biti hey bunda umugongo uyu akazi karakarangije ye giti hey uyu hey bose nirwanyi ku mutwe sore mutebutsi giti hey si ye katurare panji hey kubita umugore ngo yaramaze kabiri adakubita umugore
You hit me with the balance.
I think we'll run for now.
nkubise inkoni niyo mpamvu ngukubise
Over.
binango minangi
Spray, we're not the ones running. Go and get out of here.
vana ugende waninje ntabwo ari twe turi bwiruke ngukubitiye ninje ariko ninje nkubise igiti muze nakubwiye ngo ntabwo ari akazi koroshye twimanukire
Nice work, old man. Guess being
koze akazi keza muze
Nick
She what can I tell you? She hit me in the head with a bat.
kiriya gikobwa kinkubise inkoni mu gutwi
wouldn't beat yourself up about it.
bari hano ba bandi bagomba gucunga ko bano bakora akazi neza baraza
It's nice to see you guys show up.
byiza ko babona abasore
Here for you.
mbagira inama
You get out and you give us a fucking hand.
ubutane duhura n'ibibazo mwaje mukadufasha
It's a YouTube fight. Not bad for a couple has been.
twebwe twishyuriwe kuza kubacunga ntabwo ari ukubafasha
Look at Blondie, man.
mani reba uriya w'imisatsi y'umweru
How's those eyes anyway? I'm telling you.
ngenda abona hari ahantu muzi mani nyamara niwe mwana bya bigoryi biravuga ibiki ngo hari ahantu bimuzi n'uyu musaza
These guys say, no.
mani ibintu bigoryi ni byane
The fuck they're working for?
Let's just focus on
ubundi bakorera nde mani twe twite ku kazi kacu
Let's just move on.
sasa uyu nguyu French ntabwo yumva ko umuntu bari kwishyuriza witwa Tom
Through the night till
Tommy yaba yabatumyeho abantu bamucunga kuko arabizera basanzwe bakorana
Time schedule. We need to have the money in by Friday. We
Yeah,
talked
I need
about
some
this.
goddamn rest if I'm expecting.
kuwa gatanu tugomba kuba twatanze amafaranga yose
Listen, mate. These machines, they
umva
work without the cost.
bino bigumi byacu ubona ntabwo byakora udafite mu mutwe rero ntabwo ari ugupfa kugenda turwana twishyuza tutazi ibyo turi kwishyuzamo
Don't work.
izi ngumi zacu cyangwa se izi mashini ntabwo zakora hatarimo vitensi cyangwa se hatarimo akantu kazikoresha ni ubwonko ubwo tujye muri hoteli nahise baza hano muzehe arashaje ariko aracyari ibandi ni iniga y'umusaza Louis Mandela Bogari dore yarashaje sha burya iminsi ni mibi nimumuzi yaratwitse yo do kazi kaba ari indyango urya ni ukujya kuryama ufite udukomere wikandakanda muga hoteli bafite ahandi hantu habiri hasigaye ho kwishyuza telefone ako nino ni Tommy mukire
Yeah.
yego Tommy
So we got the money from Maurice.
Maurice twamukwe amafaranga hasigaye babiri
Oh, you know.
yitwaye neza urabizi
But, I got a question, you know.
ariko ngufitiye ikibazo
Seem to picked up some company. 2 brothers.
bisa nkaho twakurikiwe
Shadow on us.
dufite abasore babiri badukurikiye bangurikiye kuva Los Angeles
Yeah, just making sure we don't blow with the dough.
abo ni babiri nyine bo kumenya ko amafaranga mutari buyangize twatumye
you doing, Tommy? You doing okay?
umeze gute Tommy umeze neza
I mean, just worry about the next two.
ntugire ikibazo kuri njye ukora akazi
Or
kawe
anything else maybe I need to know about this one?
nimba ari ikindi wambwira nkeneye kumenya wambwira
It's kind of hard to talk right now.
Yeah, I understand, Tommy.
No problem.
ndabyumva Tommy
Tomorrow, okay? You look after yourself.
ejo nzakuvugisha
Got you into this, sir.
mbere ko waragushyize muri ibi bahita bakupa yeah
Is that you, Frenchie? Come on in, it's open.
Managed to snag one of these from across the street. Thought it might help me sleep.
Come in. What do you got there?
You know, mate, got a bit of the old rooster.
Rooster.
uyu yaje kumureba yarari mani mvuye kuzana Rooster Roho
Frenchie.
Rooster Rojo ubwo niko bandikanye ariko ni Rooster Roho niko basoma mvuye kumugurira koku
Decline. Stone Cold Turkey. And I meant what I said.
mani ngomba kwanga iyi nzoga uyinywe wenyine n'ubwo wari ukoze neza
Yeah? Well, I guess getting shot by a machine gun will make you reevaluate those decisions in life.
mani kare habuze gato ngo baturashishe mashini gani umuntu agomba kunywamo
Good stuff.
suka muyinywere
So come on then, mate. Said you died twice, right? You see?
mani habuze gato ngo upfe inshuro ebyiri
No, like, bright lights or you lying.
ese cyagiye haburaga gato ngo upfe wabonaga nk'urumuri wabonaga iki mbwira nawe se wewe
What did you say?
we cyagiye bakurasa wabonye icyo ubwo wari ugiye gupfa
Bumping off like you, mate, but
mani ngiye ibyo nabonye ubwo nari ngiye gupfa nkubwije ukuri
it's kind of embarrassing.
sha byansebya mbivuze wumve
Why is that?
kubera iki wumve ikiganiro nkubwiye ngiye gupfuza ibintu nabonye
Look, I don't know if I was hallucinating or what, but
sinzi nimba ari ibintu nabonye mu mutwe cyari byari bihari
you,
banjyanye mu cyumba cyo kumbagiramo
honestly, right? Platinum blonde hair,
haza akaganga
narrow.
gateye neza gafite agatafari gafite imisatsi y'umweru k'agaforomokazi
So anyway,
sinari nzi ahandi nareba usibye ku gatafari
in this place, right?
mana aho hantu hari hakonje
Yeah, and I'm shivering like
uwo muganga rero ngiye ubwo nari ngiye gupfa yaraje amagarara imbere
together because I'm looking up at this bird and she's cutting.
ndangije ndaryama
And I'm trying to be like,
ankuramo imyenda nari nambaye nyine muganga
it's just a regular occurrence for this stud, you know?
arangije arandeba
So anyway, there she is.
umuganga areba ku myanya myibarukiro yanjye
Underwear,
akuramo imyenda akabogisa kanjye
dark, bollock.
nsigara nambaye ubusa umuforomokazi andeba uteye neza umva rero ukuntu byari bimeze
I'm not a small man.
ntago hasi ndi mutoya ubwo murabyumva
Thoroughbred stallion either, but
nyine sindi na munini cyane
the thing is
ariko ndi hagati aho ndaringaniye muri kubyumva
fucking cold in this.
hari hakonje ariko mani nyine nk'icyamamare nirwanyeho
Oh,
wumve
a little nub, right?
ariko umva mwana yisengiranya
Simple, mate.
icyamamare ndimanukira kandi bari bagiye kumvura narashwe
Stand up.
fata umuganga rwose wumvisha ariko iyo nkuru
Harrison.
urumva atari igisebo mani kuba nari ngiye gupfa nkabanza nkirwanaho
Will make any man blush, yeah?
mbega ikigo ryano
So come on then, mate.
mani nawe mbwira wowe ugiye gupfa wabonye iki rero watubwiye ibye yari wiriya yarabanje aratwika aravuga ati ntakurama kudapfa
No?
yatuye hasi
Because what happened to me was perfect, yeah? Absolutely perfect.
njye ibyambayeho byari ibintu byiza cyane
The chance to finally tell someone you respect makes it feel all the more
ni
special.
ibintu byiza iyo ubwiye umuntu wubaha wumva nawe uri umuntu udasanzwe mu bw'ibanga ryawe ze naramubonye French agiye gupfa
I saw Millie.
nabonye Miri n'akana ke
She was waving back.
yari ari guseka
Just thinking, you know?
ampepera ubwo yari agiye gupfa we nawe bamurashe yabonye akana ke kari kishimye
She wasn't disappointed in her own man.
yari ameze nk'adatengushwe n'ibikorwa byanjye
She looked like a little angel staring back at me.
yari ameze nk'akamarayika kari kundeba ubwo yari agiye gupfa yiboneye umwana we mu gihe iki kigo ry'icyo nyine nawe ibyo cyabonye mwana si iby'irwana ishusho irangije irabura hey
That's beautiful, mate.
ibyo ni byiza mwana
Bloody hell, here I am banging on about my tiny cock and you've gone and hit me with the...
mu gihe ngende ndi kukubwira ibyerekeranye n'ukuntu nirwanya ariko abakoresheje ijambo ribi ntasobanura wowe urumva wiboneye umwana wawe ngiye mu gihe nari ndi kukubwira akahita avuga ijambo ribi nyine ntavuga kandi arivuga wagira ngo ntabwo avuze ikintu kibirega akimanukira
Glad you got to see him, mate.
nishimiye ko bashikubona umwana wawe
Me too.
akana ke kapfuye ariko yarakabonye nyine agiye gupfa
That's good stuff.
kano kayoga kararyoshye
Okay, we got an early rise.
bari nywa gake igitondo turazinduka
I'll be fine, mate. Don't
bari
worry.
ngiye nongereho ikibazo twazinduka twagira twe turanywa si ukwibeshyira
Oh, you were right, by the way.
gusa wavuze ukuri.
You know the day we got shot?
Wa munsi baturasa.
I should listen to you.
Nakabaye narakumviye. Menye barabarasiye umunsi umwe mu gice cya mbere.
We're better off than we are now, that's for sure. Glad you're still alive, mate.
Gusa nishimiye ko ukiri muzima mwana. Umugabo yivugira icyongereza cy'abongereza n'umwongereza 100% ubanze. Tacho. Ine ubwo urumva abanagoranye. Abari kugora icyamamare. Ariko se ko twize neza tukimanukira. Yeah. Mutebutsi aravunanye. Bakomeza imbere. Namutari mubizi. Cyaba bibahisha. Akurina.
Okay, Frenchie. We're here.
Okay, French, twahageze.
We're a little early, so let's kick back a little bit, yeah? Wait till Leona gets here.
Tugiye kuba twicaye dutegereze nyiri duka, nimba ari duka nimba ari igiki nyiri hano bagiye kwishyuza aza kingura.
Alright, mate, you get your beauty sleep.
Rero byabyiza ubabisinziriye.
Just wake me up, yeah?
Cyengeye kuba nsinzire dutegereze nyiri hano nakingura urankangura.
The only one around here who needs to do some stretching is you.
Yarabanza yifunga mu maso kugira ngo nyine asinzire nta mucyo na mucyo abona. Uyahita asinzira. Mani ngiye kuba nsinziriye uze kunkangura. Ninjoro ntiyamaze bitotse. Nanjye ahantu hose ngeze mita nsinzira. Yeah. Bakira bamwe babacunga bavayo. Barikomereza nabagomba kubacunga k'amafaranga bishyuje batayarya. Katorori. Yeah. Oyaza mu modoka.
Come on, oi.
Umusa avuye kugura agakawa.
Coffee, huh?
Kubita agakawa.
Wakey, mate.
Yuka mwana.
All right.
Yeah. Nisu. Ntago babaryamenye babana kubiswe harimo n'imvune. Nyine hari utuzi tuba tuvunanye tu. Naka kazi kanye karamvuna. Iyo mbonye umuntu ashaka kundira ku mafaranga nta kintu yankoreye ndaseka. Ati nagabaza amagambo mba nabuze ngaseka mbabaye kugira ngo ntwike. Okay. Sana hano.
Esteban Madrid.
Tugiye kure witwa Esteban Madrid. 1995 byari bwishyura.
What?
Ndetse ni bossi w'ahantu bakinira iteramakofi. Man afite boxing club. Bagiye kwishyuza umuntu ufite club y'iteramakofi.
Yeah, that's right, you.
Ibyo uri gusoma nibyo. Yeah.
And he's trained a lot of good fighters.
Uyu mugabo ni indwanya atari.
That can actually fight is woefully fucking small.
Ndetse ngafite n'abasore b'indwanya.
Yeah, well.
Bagiye kwishyuza umuntu noneho ufite gym, nakoze gym ni club y'iteramakofi.
There's discipline. There's these. Yeah?
Ubundi abantu bitoza ibintu by'imirwanire by'ibi bipfunsi bagomba kuba bafite discipline.
I think a lot of people might disagree with that, mate. Just a few people.
It's not.
Discipline nayo uri n'imirwanire. Man, yari abantu benshi byo mutabyumvikanaho, mutebutse arabihakana.
What I am saying is,
Cyo kuvuga ni
beach science. It's fucking classy.
Oh, yeah, man.
Man, ibintu byose bijyanye na siporo no kubura umuntu urwana urenze, uba ugomba kubura umuntu wiyubashye. Ufite discipline.
Is it fucking open?
Man, iduka nako ya club bayifunguye.
Inside? You don't know, right?
Ntago bizi.
You're supposed to be on fucking watch.
Wakagombye kuba uri gucunga ukamenyera igihe bafungure kumbe bafunguye kare. Man, nagiye kugura ikawa.
Between us leaving with the money and getting our fucking asses kicked by a bunch of prize fighters, yeah?
Wa mukinga we watumye indwanyi zinjira muri club kandi twagomba kumwishyuza indwanyi zitaraza muri gym. Sasu yakoze ikosa. Yagomba gucunga boss nyiri club agifungura bakinjiramo abaza muri sport bataraza b'indwanyi zi. Uko uyu yishakazi ni mutebutsi. Binjirayo. Tugiye kwishyuza tunone se ko twarwiyemeje. Nanjye ari genso bagiye kwishyuza twese Esteban Madrid. Katorori. Muri club ya boxing. Bano bandiga bitera amakofe barakatsindwa. To. Batipe bitera amakofe. Yeah.
Frenchie.
Impumuro Frenchie.
Don't forget.
Ni ikintu utajya wibagirwa impumuro y'aha hantu. Menya nawe yarateyeho amakofi. Niba umuntu amaze iminsi ari mu mayoga nta gasiporo nta kido. Nta gasiporo nta ariko Muze mwana ya mayoga twazado.
You can't just walk in and pick the bag.
Man, ntabwo waza winjira ukubita igikapu cyacu.
Just sign the waiver.
Urabanza ukinjira ugasinya ukishyura.
Alright, so hey, quick.
Urabamambure bashya. Yarakubita.
Alright?
Wait.
Take out the defibrillator for you.
Oh, I wouldn't worry about him, mate. He's tougher than he looks.
Uwo musaza arakomeye kurusha uko umubona.
Two assholes, get the fuck out of my gym.
Munsokere muri gym.
Ah, there's no need for language like that, pal.
Nta mpamvu yo kuvuga ururimi gutyo.
Madrid. I can't
Uje kuri Madrid.
get him, would you?
Mutujyaneho.
Fuck off.
Subirayo.
Listen, mate, if you're gonna get saucy, fucking do something.
Mani mutangiye kuvuga nabi twabikemura.
Time to piss about comparing whose is bigger.
If you knew me, you know that mine is.
Iyo uza kuba unzi ntabwo wakabaye uri kumbwira utwo tugambo. Uyu yaramuseka.
Oh, right.
Oh.
You're a tough guy, aren't you?
Niwe musore ukomeye hano se. Okay.
Now this confidence that you're showing me right now?
Kino cyizere uri kunyereka nonaha.
Fine, mate.
Man, umeze nk'impumyi. Ntabwo nzi.
What you need to know is I'm the bloke
Icyo uzi cyo,
into a boxing club.
tu umuntu winjiye muri boxing club yanyu.
Gobshite.
Wabakubita mwese ngasohoka muryamye hasi ahita amanuka.
I'm doing it in front of all of his boyfriends.
Ibi byose kandi nagukubitira imbere y'aba basheri bawe b'abahungu. Mbega bita batinganye. Aba ba boyfriend bawe nabagukubitira imbere.
Rock and bleed. Fucking nutcase.
Ushobora kunyita ko ndi umusazi.
Do as I said.
Ariko kora icyo nkubwiye.
Your boss, yeah?
Keza kuri boss we wakigoryiwe.
Okay.
Kubura umuntu witera amakofu uzi ngo urarenze umuntu ukabona aje kumenyera gutya nabyo bitekerezaho. Hari igihe uvuga ati buriya sumuje pe we. Ya system ya jama niyo abonye umuntu wese ufite icyizere. Buriya ni umusirikare.
Like his job, you really know how to throw yourself in him, Frenchie. Nice.
Just trying to get this done and pull this shite behind us. Besides, they're only boxers, right?
Bano ni babantu bitera amakofi man. They are only boxers. Ntago ari abantu bahatari. Uyu muginga ntagaze ko mu mikino yose y'imirwanire imikino njyarugamba. Umukino urenze buriya ni boxing umuntu utera amakofi yakwica. Va kuri bwakungu uva mu biki.
Good. And we don't have to go.
Ntago mwari mubizi nyine mwebwe nikanje mbibabwira.
Save it.
Gusa uyu muginga aravuga si babandi batera udukofi.
My voice wasn't a loan, so it's not a debt.
Amafaranga bamese yari ideni rose gusa n'inguzanyo.
Can't pay back.
Na amafaranga ntagujije bampaye nk'inguzanyo.
Where he could stick it.
Genda ubwire Tommy aceceke.
It seems to get complicated, doesn't it?
Ibintu hano bigiye kugorana.
We wouldn't have a job if it didn't, Frenchie.
Ati ibintu biba bitagoranye ntago twari kuba dufite akazi French woni su. Mbega kwishyuza abantu bakakugora bivuze ko ariyo mpamvu baba babuhirije.
Prospects back in the day. He ruined his title shot.
You know who he is then? And you should also know that he's heard every goddamn excuse in the book. So listen, mate, we're in nice and early, aren't we? Do me a favor, give us some money and...
Mani dufasho dukorere faveur doye mafaranga tuve hano tugenda ubiho.
Yeah. You know, if you're serious about boxing, you should never fight outside your weight division.
Nimba muzi ibintu bijyanye na boxing ntago ukwiye kurwana n'umuntu kurusha ibiro. Muri boxing habamo ibintu by'ibiro. Kumva habaho bawo heavyweight biki.
Two are here to reclaim your sponsor.
Bano bantu babiri baje gutwara amafaranga y'inkunga yawe.
No sparring
Ayo
partner.
mafaranga dahari ntabwo uzongera gukora siporo.
No expense.
Amafaranga tuzongera kwangizaho. Birabirangiye kandi uyu niwe champion.
Pussies is getting your gloves on.
Mani abita amapusi. Zino pusi zebyiri ziri hano ndazikubita.
Too much of a sweet science for me anyway, right?
Mani wambwiye ngo urindwanye isi. Wamukubise.
I guess it's you.
Ngaho genda urwane nawe n'umutsinda ubwo. Amafaranga yanyu murayabona. Muze yagiye kurwana n'umusore muto witoza itera amakofi.
That fucking money, trust me.
Giye gukubita umusore wawe nze dutwara amafaranga. Nagutsinda.
Pick up the gloves, old man.
Fata ibyo bigama hano uze tugende.
I got this, French.
French bino ndabiko umusaza no kunama biramugora amaze gusaza kagongo. Umusaza. Do. Agiye kurwana n'akana gahora kitoza ni champion winner. Do umwana uri fit ufite n'amaraso ashyushye muze yamaze gusaza n'amayoga ya hato na hato. Bagutura hasi bya hato na hato.
New pacifist code.
Muze we mukubita utuje.
Frenchie, it's a sport, and it's pure sport.
Man, iyi ni sport.
Prime.
Hano ni abatleti babiri bagiye guhura. Katorori. Muze avayo. Muri ringi, ongera kurikira filimi. Twagiye. Muze kuga kweto ke do. Zey. Kumwana muto uri fit. Zota amaraso ashyushye. Champion. Muze nta mwana unyara ku kabari. Muze niyo principe agendera nta mwana wihagarika ku kabari. Awubaho. Muze kura umwana. Twika. Muze. Yewana nje ariko mfite n'abafana amaboko mu yamanuye. Muze uramubona ariko. Amaboko mu yamanuye. Katururi. Zey. Wait. Muze hasi. Hey.
You good?
Mbese neza mwana haguruka. Bari kumushuka bari hanze. Ase yarashaje umwana uri hano arabangutse ni umusportif. Man bino bikora muzeba mukurame. Kasani. Muzeba mukubise kawo. Knockout. Kigwaje umukubise pfukamye. Kandi ntabwo byemewe.
Come on, you can do it. Let's go.
Mwana haguruka twabikora. Cyane byanze.
Come on, mate. You can.
Rero nutabikora ntabwo tubona amafaranga. Yaramucira.
You got a subbing for your boy?
Mani none se ubundi ko nategereza waje tukaba ariwe turwana.
We're leaving here with the fucking money.
Mani uko byagenda kose tuvana amafaranga hano. Ko byamera kose tuvana amafaranga hano. Siko kazi kabo ko byamera kose akazi turagakora. None se ko nta mirage badusigiye. Sikagomba gukorwa. Niyo magambo. Katorori.
Queensbury rules, right? Yeah, well.
Mani twika.
Go do your thing.
Mwambika gloves.
Thanks.
Mewe tera wapi mwana uri hano sportifu meza neza cyane muri informe mwana tabutsi uye mwirabura urenze hano Katorori uyaza gufana ushaje usiga ubundi niko bavuga tera tabutsi yaje anavuga ngo siba abantu batera udukofesi tera udukofesi Frenchy tera punch utamitse we Katorori kira tukire kira kira namutamika kandi meze neza tera punch bose punch yagasani punch mugabo yavangamo n'imigeri ubundi ntabwo iba yemewe muri kick muri boxing mana zanyemo n'imigeri byabindi twarwana kacera ngo imigeri nayirimo we wambaye inkweto ngo banze uzikuremo Katorori Katorori tera we mugabo rero champion wangutse cyane mese neza fiti amavi bundi ntabwo byemewe azanamo za tekinike zayitafunira mu mavi yatabizana bakajya mu ngumi gusa Mana aramwibye umuvunye kaboko bose arabateranira Katorori kura yimbunda champion bamuvunnye kaboko uzi kuba ukina umukino w'itera amakofe umuginga akakuvuna kaboko abagufashe kunda umenye ko bagusubije ku isuka yava muri ringe yaje yabasusuguye ubwo abonye ko itera amakofe mwana ibi bintu ntabwo bisanzwe ciao wa mukinga we Girasu amafaranga barayabahaye nakubwiye ngo nta kazi koroshye ku isi kabaho na Bibiliya Imana yarivugiye mu itangira uwitwa umugabo azarya yiyushya kuya
Sponsorship money.
Mana amafaranga ntabwo yari nguzanyo
Fucking Barbosa.
iyi yari impano Barbosa yaduhaye uvuze guki Barbosa
Fucking sucker punch me.
Barbosa niwe watuguru waraduhaye n'amafaranga nk'inkunga muri iyi club ya boxing
Don't you fucking move.
ntuvo ngaho Barbosa ngo niwe waragushije amafaranga none kuki Tom ari uri kuyishyuza kandi amafaranga ari amafaranga yatanzwe n'uwitwa ngo Barbosa baje akora ino Katorori
Fuck out of here, yeah?
tuvano tugende mu ntangiriro Imana yarivugiye ati umugabo azarya yiyushya kuya ntago wapfa kurya ibintu utakoze njye niyo mbonye ibintu by'ubuntu ngira ubwoba ariko mba nakoze reka njye nyarya ndavuga
Could have been a good
tiruka imihanda
for him like you did, you know? It's very cold, Frenchie. Very cold.
bagarutse hakuri no kunywamo
Swear my made didn't I?
ni ukurya wakoze mwana umusarika tujye turya tuba twakoze do
And you've got a tongue.
mwana warahindutse n'uburyo usigaye uvugamo
It's where we off to next anyway.
turakurikizaho hehe
Let's have a look at this.
katureba aho tugiye gukurikiza
Okay.
reba bari kurya robingo sinati za robingo irizano
Canoga Park.
Kanoga Park
Joyous.
so bagiye kuki
Skinner, 200.
Silas Skinner ibihumbi 255 Yesu Kristo amafaranga menshi cyane bikanzemo nabo iyo bagiye kwishyuza ayo mafaranga nta muntu wapfa kuyishyura baziba gutumye ngo ujya kunyishyuriza uriya muntu miliyoni nako miliyari ni urugero we wagenda ufite ubwo ukavuga ati amafaranga arayabona koko cyaranyica rabinjiye baba pampe
Damn.
basore
Right on course.
muri kurya mutwa Robingo muri kurya snacks za Robingo bifite n'akamenyero
Cause you boys look fucked up.
man ariko mwana ngenda ndabona musa nk'abangijwe
Ask him, man.
mubaze mwana
Down and out.
mwana reka tukubaze rero
Oh, he here reckons he saw you and saw.
uyu musore wanjye iyo yibutsana kuzi muri filime yo kurwana
You the fucking
man siyo wakinnye filime y'amaninja man ya kera
movie ninja, the kung
ya movie ya ninja
That's you, right?
babarwanisha ku ngufu
Correct, General Nevis.
mubyibutse neza ninjye wayikinnye
I told you.
nari nabikubwiye man
Me and my brother used to watch that movie all the time when we were.
je n'umuvandimwe wanjye filime twarirebaga tukiri abana y'amaninja wakinnye mwana urindwanya
But I ain't fucking with you today, man.
gusa uyu munsi ntabwo twagukinisha
The best ninja movie I've ever seen.
niwe muntu wakinaga filime z'ininja kera nigeze mbona
Eden's movie.
wamubonye muri filime
Good.
Bro, this fucker used to be the shit.
man yahoze ari umuntu wahatari none dore yararaburije yabaye umuntu uri aho man nta kintu ufite kidasanzwe
What the fuck happened to you?
byakugendekeye gute ko kera wari
Gonna
urenze
happen to you too, boys.
ibyambayeho namwe bizababaho
Life.
icyambayeho cyitwa ubuzima
Call life.
it's called life icyambayeho ni ubuzima namwe cyababaho bari bamumenyereye ati muze ko wakinaga filime z'ininja kera tukwemera uri umuntu urenze iki cyakubayeho ko waraburije ati icyambayeho namwe cyababaho icyo kintu bakita ubuzima buriya nubona umuntu yigize uwa danje ari kwivugisha utugambo ngo nuko hari utuntu dukenya ari kubona muri iyo minsi
All he wants to see you.
hari ikintu bita ubuzima ati nawe cyakubaho icyo cyambayeho
What are we talking about? No, I'm worried.
buriya nubwo ntwikamba nzi aho ntarengera ikintu bita ubuzima
Find out what, mate? Wait, I asked you a question.
hari abacaho
What the fuck did
French
They're not talking about anything. Come on, finish up.
araginga nta kintu banatubaza twigendere
I'm gonna make a quick
muzehe arambabaje rwose mwabana mu ikintu cyambayeho namwe cyababaho bakita ubuzima nta kindi kidasanzwe abantu bose ikintu bita ubuzima cyabayeho ndabasuhuje mwihangane si urwumva magarana
Tell me you didn't know.
mbwira ko utari ubizi muzehe watumye kwishyuza kumbe bamutunze imbunda
This to me. They were collecting Barbosa's money.
utambwira ko amadeni turi kwishyuza ari uwitwa Barbosa
We've had a good run, Golden Boy.
twakoranye neza Golden Boy
I take that money.
mbaye ndiwe nafata amafaranga nishyushye nkirukanka ngacika kumva batumye kwishyuza burya amafaranga CSI hari abamufatiyeho imbunda niyo mpamvu yari yabatumye
This is Molly action.
uyu ni Molly X muvugana boss wanyu mushya
You owe me one more collection.
mu ndimo kujya kwishyuza ahandi hantu hamwe
Bring that go to Molly.
munzane amafaranga muyazanire Molly bayiha yanyu
Your boy Tommy can breathe easy again.
aho niho Tom ari buze kongera guhumeka tuje Tommy wanyu namufashe Tommy bari bazi ko bari gukorera ku isi we bari gukorera yafashwe n'uwitwa Molly X kikijya madeni bari kwishyuza ngo nayo witwa Barbosa sina ya Tommy Molly X turore yeah yeah
Sorry, Tommy. I tried.
garuka hano bamuzanye hano
Let's go, Tommy.
tugende Tommy yeah do
You hate LA, but here you are.
wanga Los Angeles ariko durahuri wanga LA nibavuga LA wumve Los Angeles
Tommy.
Tommy
She love Los Angeles, man.
Los Angeles ndayikunda mwana
Stacey Adams shot.
izi nkweto za Stacey Adams niho naziguriye
I get my suits tailor-made
ikote ryanjye niho baridodera
in Inglewood.
uri kumva mwana
Got love for the West Coast, man.
West Coast niga kandi nabo ndabakunda mwana wumvishe n'injyana zabo niyo mpamvu akunda Los Angeles niho muri West Coast iyi niga y'umusaza yoma niga
Do hate
uzi ikintu nanga
is liars.
ni ababeshyi nibo nanga ariko sinanga ahantu
Now, either somebody gave you some fucked up.
nimba ari umuntu warwaye amakuru mabi
Oh, you straight lied to me.
ariko warambeshye mwana ubizi
My business depends on information.
ubundi akazi kanjye gashingiye ku makuru
That said, I'm not the encyclopedia
reka nkubwire ko ngiye nari inkoranyamagambo
Streets, so-
amakuru yanjye nyakura imihanda yakura kuri streets ntabwo yakura kuri encyclopedia
French and Sue.
uwo French na Sue bari
Me. They were wasted in this.
wambwiye ko bapfuye
Ask me, Mama.
wambwiye ko babarashe bagapfa
Swore to my face that you had no hand.
wandahiriye mu maso urambwira ngo Sue na French barapfuye
Barbosa was a client.
umuvandimwe Barbosa yari umukire wanjye
Clients.
So you
ariko yari umukiriya mubi
defense before the rest of my brother's crew. Cut them all down in the blaze of glory. That's what you said. Huh?
That's what I said.
So if that's the straight up truth, why do I have emissaries out here from Inglewood to Hollywood saying that French and Sue was walking and talking and having a fine ass time here? In the
wambwiye ko bapfuye kumbe bambwiye ko bari bameze neza bazenguruka imihanda French na Sue bameze neza kandi umuzehe bamukubita amashanyarazi
you cold blooded, Felix. That's not a wise choice.
Felix mwereke reba waratubeshye
Let me a little pee. Let me.
bamweretse amafoto urabona Sue Sue na French bari bameze neza bikaraga mu mihanda
You lied to my fucking face. You disrespected my brother's memory.
urwibutso rw'umuvandimwe wanjye wararusuzuguye
All this, you got to pay in blood equity. Cuddy, let's be out.
mani mureke tube dusohotse
You see, my brother had 3 sizable debts that needed collected before he was killed.
umuvandimwe wanjye mbere yuko apfa yari afite amadeni 3 yagombaga kwishyuza
So-
niyo mpamvu rero turi kuyishyuza kumbe ari kwishyuza amadeni y'umuvandimwe we
French and Sue, close out Barbosa's accounts for me.
amafaranga ya Barbosa yose French na Sue bagomba kuyishyuza
Because if you don't,
nutabikora
that fucking handsome head across the
uwo
bay,
mutwe wawe mwiza ndaza kuwugukuraho
you got 48 hours.
waye iminsi 2 cyangwa se amasaha 48 batavuga amasaha 48 navuga iminsi 2 mukikanga ngo amasaha 48 ubona umufungo wanjye hano katurore
So you're gonna tell me who this Molly is then?
I don't know, French.
uwo muri ninde ntabwo mbizi French
Collection left. Let's just get it done.
hasigaye kwishyuza ahantu hamwe tukigendera nta birenze
This is it here, isn't it?
Let's take a look at the fig.
babashe kwishyuza hano
Nice little for me.
74 ni hariya mwana babashe kwishyuza
Christ.
Chris
I tell you what, I fucking hate this job.
kano kazi ndakanga ariko niko ushoboye nubwo ukanga niko ushoboye umva ikigo yabonye ahantu baje kwishyuza dore abapampe bariyo n'abarara aravuga ati kano kazi ndakanga mugenzi we akamubwira ati ariko mbona ariko ushoboye nta kandi nanjye kuriya buriya gusobanura ariko kazi nigiye niko nshoboye ibindi bintu iyo mbikoze ntago ntacyo nakora ngo kigende nabi ariko mbona ariko nkora neza ntako reno mwibutse izi filime uzajya uzisanga kuri website yitwa agasobanuye 250.com ubwo nimba uzi umuntu wawe utabasha kubona filime bimworoheye cyangwa se nawe ushaka kwirebera filime bibereye wawe utuje ku internet twawe kwishyura amafaranga make ukajya wirebera ukwezi kose filime kuri iyo website ni ibintu byoroshye cyane
Whoa, wait a minute. What are you thinking?
uretse gato akura y'imbunda
Punch-ups with
bari kantwara imbunda ntuza abapampe tuba tugiye kwishyuza ubonye abapampe be bavayo Silas Skinner we bagiye kwishyuza bavayo niba birakazi nta kazi koroha kabaho bibiriya ntabwo ijya yibeshya ntabwo warya utiyushya kuya katorori niyo waba urya utiyushya kuya ntabwo biba ari iby'igihe kirekire ari iby'igihe gito bavayo baje gupesesha
Switch it up.
zimya ibyo bintu byawe basanze MD
Something?
Cyrus Skinner.
basore cyo mukeneye Silas Skinner
He expecting you?
I couldn't give a fuck, man.
mwari mufitanye gahunda nawe ntabwo ibyo tubyitaho bivuze ngo iki
Looking for Cyrus Skinner, so bitch.
turashaka Silas Skinner
No longer find it.
MD genda umubwira zandi
It's out of you.
ndagutimbura wowe ni MD afite ukuntu abyimbamo ni muremure
Knuckle. Take a break.
MD bihorera abo bantu
These lads are here to see me.
Come on.
Fuck off.
caho wa muginga we MD
Yeah, Tommy called me and told me that you two may swing by.
Tommy yari amamagaye arambwira ngo mushobora kuza gucano
So you've rustled up the cash for us then?
bivuze ngo amafaranga rero wayapakiye oya
That ain't never gonna
ibyo
happen.
ntabwo bishoboka amafaranga
Paying Tommy
ntabwo nakwishyura Tommy
red cent.
niyo yaba ari n'igiceri cya 5 a fucking red cent
Come on.
ibaza ariko nta na 5 yamwishyura
It's okay. I'm good. Come on, Cyrus. What's wrong with you? Be nice. You know how it works, right? One was transferred and was reactivated, okay? Well, money. You don't get to keep the money.
Really hoping that you two would not try to underestimate.
Tommy.
Here
we are. And
what to
do?
You fucking English. Fucking cocksucker. I was like you. That's it. Right now. Frenchie, what are you doing?
The French
You think this scares me?
No, shut up, Sue. Hey. Fucking sick of this. You get up there right now. You get the money.
Fuck you. What is
Don't shoot the money. Do it.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, so. Listen to me.
Yumfa.
Myself, right? But this morning, it's right about now, your bones are all starting to break. Falling in little pieces around your orbital. Soon you're gonna lose sight in one eye. Maybe lose a little color.
Mu kanya iryo shisho riraza kuba rimaze gupfa burundu utangira ntutekereze neza ndindi ndimene.
You know what, Cyrus? One day very soon you're gonna be having dinner through a straw with one good eye. So just
nutatwishyura vuba bidatinze bizangombwa ko uzajya urya utareba.
Go to my office.
MD jya muri ofisi yanjye ubazanira igikapu kiriyo. Umugabo nukwanga amafaranga bayanayateguye avuga ati nibikomera ndayatanga urumva no kuvuga ati zana igikapu bahereze bagenda. Bayateguye ariko avuga ati sindi upfe kuyabaha. Yeah.
Good job at the non-violence thing, by the way. Doing a real good job there, mate. Impressive.
Ashaka nini?
To do something. You can.
Bana nifite kugira icyo nkora. Nabona gugiye kurasa uyu musaza kandi sinashaka kumwica.
Was I? I think we're fucking psychopath that murderer. I was just trying to.
Mwana ukeka ko ngiye ndi umusazi w'umwicanyi ku buryo nari kurasa uyu musaza namukangaga.
Fucking running.
Hey, wa mukinga MD amafaranga arayacikanye. Kumbe wa murara. MD amafaranga arayacikanye. Uyarakurikira. Akazi kabo n'ukwishyuza. Akazi kandi kaba kagomba gukorwa. Yeah. Torori. Hey. Yeah. Nakurikira. Bize biti. Kurikire MD. Kurikire MD akazi kagomba gukorwa uko byamera kose. Yeah. Hey. Katorori. Yeah. Katorori. MD ndagiye icyamamare aya mafaranga nanjye muri gupfa nago nayaruka dore umwana. Jejejeje. Uyafa iki cyanara kiramurushye. Kirongera gikatano. Kigendera hejuru y'umutwe cya MD. Ndimanuki. Iki kiguryi cy'umwana. Ningi ufata. Aragikurikira. Amafaranga agomba gucyurwa uko byamera kose turi cyana ahantu kiri guca. Kirarenze. Gicadore ngicyo ndayatwaye wenda nanjye nacu kubiri na karuruma nkimanukira. Katorori. MD. Dore ngicyo bimeze biti. Yakurikiwe. Yeah. Dore cyana hano. Iki kiguryi cy'umwana. Uyu nawe araparamira cyamuruhije shahu. Umwana cawo n'amafaranga. Yesu Kristo na bwa buyoga bayarayanywa nyine. Bwa buyoga bayarayanywa. Uyabona igikamyo. Urabizi reka mfate lift uri abe yiruka. Ibintu n'ubwenge ntago bisaba ibibaraga. Bisaba n'ubwenge yirirwa mu tuyoga ariko ubwenge aba bufite ducyana aragikurikira kiriruka cyangiza imbaraga fata ikigori. Hey. Kura menyo.
Right now.
Jinga we.
Jesus Christ.
Yesu Kristo. Cyamuruhishe. Mwana uri umwakorobasi. Kina sakasi.
I want to be a stuntman.
Oya nifuza kuba stuntman. Ba bantu nyine bakora ibintu bidasanzwe. Njye bana bifasha mu mafilime amwe bakora ibintu nyine ubona biteye ubwoba.
It's a terrible idea.
Icyo ni igitekerezo kibi.
You're lucky I didn't kick the shit out.
Gize amahirwe kuba nagukubise.
Just did.
Hakura hankubise. Warumva atamukubise nyine. Bagize amahirwe kuba atamukubise. Kombe hakorino muri rya garage.
Yeah, looks like we're good. Goodness, but
Sanga tumeze neza hano mufungo bawubonye.
get back to Tommy, can give it to Molly, and we can put the whole fucking universe back in its balance.
Molly? You talking about Barbosa?
Ngana amafaranga na Barbosa.
Molly?
What you just?
Ndetse muyashiriye umusazi witwa Mori.
He's taking over Barbosa's.
Mori nimba rero ufasha amadeni ya Barbosa yari aturimo ni ikibazo mufite.
Collecting Barbosa's.
Mani mbwira ko utambwira ko turi kwishyuriza
No, it's okay.
amadeni ya Barbosa.
Tommy's fucking
Talk about it outside.
Tom ubwo yaba yaduteza agatego.
Outside.
Dusohoke hanze tubiganireho.
We'll be leaving you now, Cyrus. Yeah. You're gonna know pain soon.
Mwa bidatinze muramenya uburibwe icyo ari cyo. Uwo bari kwishyuriza amenya batamuzi.
Kiss.
Bereza imfunguzo z'imodoka.
Are you okay?
French umeze neza?
Just tell me.
Mbwira.
You didn't know.
Mbwira ko utari ubizi.
Debts we've been collecting for the past 2 days.
Ko tutari kuba twafata amafaranga yuriya musore ariyo turi gutanga. Atari turi kwishyuriza. Barbosa.
It wasn't positive friendship, not at first.
Mbere nanjye ntabwo nari mbizi ko ariyo turi kwishyuriza.
How's that supposed to mean?
Bisobanuye iki?
Tommy calls me out of the blue. He tells me he's got this gangster breathing down his fucking neck, and he tells me it's serious, yeah?
Barampamagaye nyuma amenya ko ibintu byabaye serious uwo twakira ko turi kwishyuriza turi kwishyuriza.
Yeah? Nobody else. Just you. Specifically, just you. Then when that dog walked into the burger joint and mentioned Molly's name, well, what can I tell you, Frenchie? I started to put it all together myself.
And you didn't tell me this before.
Come on, Frenchie, you understand me? I was looking after Tommy, okay? Besides,
Umva njye nari ndi kwita kuri Tommy nzi ko ariwe turi kwishyuriza.
right? If you knew, you wouldn't help me. That
Ugombaga kumfasha kandi.
right.
Do you know why? It's not fucking stupid, that's why.
Come on, I'm sorry.
Cyako ndi ikigoryi se nari kubyumva bimbwira.
Brother, you... Come on, think about it.
Tekerezeho.
We're 3 for 3. 3 for fucking 3 run the whole stretch.
Tumaze kwishyuza abantu batatu tujye dutanga amafaranga twitahire.
Fucking vipers.
Ntabwo twakwishyurira ziriya
For this.
ni ibiyoka binini. Ntabwo twabyishyuriza.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What the fuck's wrong with you?
Ikihe kibazo?
I'll fucking die, Frenchie, okay?
Umva Tommy baramwica ari tujyana ayo mafaranga. Kandi umuzi nk'uko muzi.
Look, Frenchie, just listen.
Umva neza.
Okay, look. When leukemia took my little Millie, I lost everything. Yeah?
Umwana wanjye ubwo yicwaga na leukemia.
It's going down the toilet.
Nabuze buri kimwe.
It's fucking done.
Byandangiriyeho byose ubwo umwana wanjye yapfaga Mori.
It was there for me yet again. You understand me?
Uwahabaye kuri njye akamfasha muri ibyo bihe ni Tommy wenyine. Wamfashije muri ibyo bihe bibi nari ndimo.
Well, me and Tommy aren't, you understand?
Ubwo ndakeka urumva icyo Tom asobanuye kuri njye niyo mpamvu tugomba kumufasha tujyana n'amafaranga bamuri kuri. Ndagira ngo unyumve.
Just listen to me.
Ndagira ngo unyumve.
We should just do one. Get out of this shit right now.
Icyo twakora ni ugufata aya mafaranga tukayatwara.
Thousands.
Hano mfite 250 nawe utwara ibindi 250 tucike.
Still can. Don't
Twiyobere tugishoboye.
Oh, fuck you!
Wibikora.
Favor him.
Sasu yaravuga ati amafaranga tugomba kuyatwara tugatabara inshuti yacu Tommy yaramfashije mu bibazo. Ntabwo yatwara. Ntabwo yatwara.
Let go of the bag, sir.
Rekura igikapu su.
can't make you take the bag, Frenchie.
Ntabwo nari gutwara iki gikapu French yashaka ko bitwarira amafaranga.
Fucking bag, sir.
Rekura igikapu su.
Make me.
Tuma nyirekura. Nimba ushaka ko nyirekura, make me. Tuma nyirekura. Tera muzekura umuntu amenye.
This Frenchie upset.
Yesu Kristo mbabarire ni Satani ucutsere nambaye n'impeta mukuye amenye urusaza rwambara impeta nini ngo rubabaza abantu. Mwana urankubise. Akorera iryinyo. Gigigigigija.
Okay, that's it.
Urabizi?
Just give me the bag.
Mpereza icyo gikapu. Mpereza icyo gikapu.
Give me the bag.
Oh, you got
Ntacyo nagwaye amafaranga ndayatwara nawe utwara ariya twimanukire. Tera bose bose. Hey! Tangira kunyuza umusaza n'indwanyi mu ncari muramuzi ni icyamamare. Hey! Shira igikapu hasi noneho.
Okay, come on.
Mani, waretse ariko. Zariko, urabona buryo cyaba bangutsemo. Sore, buretse. Zera kubitwa. Sorry.
I'm taking that bag, sir.
Shira igikapu ndagitwaye isu. Havayo. Vayo! Kuri! Mutebutsi! Mwati tugabana amafaranga! Undati! Hey! Tuyajyane dutabare Tommy! mutwe mzee nindwanye mzee katurare gengaye mzee baramuzinga mzee barazinga mzee aramuterura bano barareba ni babandi bagomba gucunga ibijya mbere.
The fuck are these idiots doing?
Ibigoryi biri gukora ibiki?
In that little conversation we had about MMA.
Nibuka ikiganiro twaganiriye.
I win.
Aramuterura deposa ku modoka y'umukire wiparikiye hari urumva umwe wiparikiye bakaza bakinira mu mafaranga yawe sha bahaza.
I was trying to give you an easy way out of that truck, so
nashaka tubikora mu buryo bworoshye.
I'm going to fuck you up.
Ngiye ukwangiza.
Frenchie,
uzicura numvisha abantu bambwira ngo bagiye kunyangiza mwana ntago ibyo bikinkanga no rusaza ruri hano no kurubwira ngo ngiye gukubitira kubwira tuzicura babimbwiye ibyo bintu nkaba nyiriho kandi koko umuntu agiye gusaza ngana gutya yaranyuze muri byinshi ntago biba bikimukanga. Tuzicura baba barambwiye ngo banyica nkaba ndenze nsaza ndemora igihe muzehe baramukubita muzehe baratamika ye muzehe yahuye n'akana gakubita gatwika yewe apfuye muzehe fata icupa atangiye kwitabaza ibidukikije ibitwugarije. Nkwereke mwana muzehe utera muzehe punch muzehe yarakubiswe koko muzehe.
No, I gotta be honest too.
Kamubwiza ukuri so.
Always wanted to come out on top if it came down to it.
Najyaga nibaza ngo ninde uzatsinda undi munsi twarwanye none ndabibonye. Najyaga ubyibaza. Nanjye najyaga mbyibaza. Tera bose barahana. Umwe yajyaga byibaza ati umunsi twarwanye ninde watsinda undi bose nindwanye. Vayo. Mzee! 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 Hey! Punch! Mzee! Mzee! Wita umusore. Buriya!
That's for my coat!
Izo ngumi ngukubise ni za ya modoka yanjye ibuke yamugurishije n'imodoka. Harimo mbega n'akabifu ko batuha muginge wangurishirije imodoka nako kare karimo burya. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, boss.
Boss.
Yeah, Tommy's boy handled his business. They doing that to.
Abasore barangije akazi kawe ariko hagati yabo bari gusubiranamo.
Alright, we'll handle it.
Sawa reka tubikemure. Bano batanze raporo. N'abagenzuzi niko babita. Yeah. Yeah. Say. Yeah. Buretse ariko. Say.
Sneaky mother.
Warunye ibyambo ginga we. Say. Doranu ya Yesu Kristo. Yesu. Yesu. Yeah. Bega igisaza. Yeah. Napfuye.
Hey.
Shyira amafaranga hano we.
I want you to know something, Frenchie.
Hari icyo ushaka kumenya.
Go away, I can leave Tommy die like an animal.
Nta buryo nareka Tommy bamwica nk'inyamaswa. Ndakeka urabyumva. Ngiye kumutabara. Muzebas! Kiraso yituwe ndi! Kiraso yituwe ndi we! Kiraso yituwe ndi! Murabibonye ariko? Yeah. Abapampe bafaye. Abapampe.
You boys done fucked up.
Basore bisa nkaho byabarangiranye.
Had money on you, ninja. You owe me a slice.
Nari nagushetiye ninja none baragutsinza uransindishije. Bivuze ngo bano bari batsinze ubwo bano biri barwa nako bari bashize ubwo bano biri barwanaga.
So there you go.
Fata amafaranga mugende.
You can count on that, motherfucker.
Tugomba no kubica. Taragira! Se! Fire! Ku mutima. Rimwe. Usazura no ntasanzwe. Hey! Uriya yamumanuriye hasi kuri kaburimbo rimwe umugabo ayitaca. Nze urabizi. we subirayo nusubira ariko uri umupfura bizi barakwica nawe. Ayo mafaranga ni ayawe ngaho yagumane ndigendeye njye ntwaye imodoka. French arigendeye ati wa musaza we nusubirayo barakwica. Taturore yajana mu modoka byibura barimo ka kanyanga. Ewe muze yakubiswe. Fata kanyanga hano ikora nka rukoro buriya nyine yica ama infection. Yeah. Uyinjiye mu modoka yagomba kujya gutabara Tommy. Bimeze bite? Ya Jean.
Don't worry about me. Just worry about the next 2 jobs. I'm sorry I got you into this.
Yibutsa amubwira ati ngiye numangayikirangayikishwa n'utundi tuzi tubiri dusigaye.
Right? Mother calls.
Uyu nguyu ariko nanone byose abikesha uyu mugabo agiye gutabara Tommy. Ubwo umwana we yapfaga byasaga nk'ibyamurangiriyeho. Ndize gutya gufatira amafaranga yose. Amwe yakura mu gikapu. Fatira igikapu hano. Asisikamo rumena amabuye n'imbunda. N'imbunda. Yeah. Katurore. Avayo. Mwarimo amafaranga handi harimo imbunda. Yeah. Meze biti.
Hey, Molly, look who's come to visit. Fuck, why'd you come back? That's far enough, motherfucker.
Inchian.
Cuddy, pour me a shot of that Rooster Roll.
Nawezi nsukira akantu ka Rooster Roll n'akayoga. Baragasuka.
So, got the J.U. Ice. I'll say that for you. Where's your road dog, Mr. Jiu-Jitsu?
Mr. Jiu-Jitsu ari he? Jiu-Jitsu ni tekinike y'amaninja.
So he left you hold.
Kazi ka munani.
Good song.
Agusigira ibikapu niko mbicika.
Don't you ever listen.
Agujya wumva. Nena kubwiye ngo nugaruke hano uyu ni Tommy.
See, man, Tommy, he lied to me, man. He said that you were dead. I mean, you look kind of fucked up.
Tommy yarambeshye rero ambwiye ko mwapfuye.
You don't look dead to me.
None ndabona utarapfuye.
Tommy's defense.
No kubera Tommy yandwanyeho. Nabundi nari kuba narapfuye.
So you're giving a ball there.
Bize ngo uri guhumeka umwuka w'umutizanyo. Cyasuri mu minsi y'inyongezo.
No, Molly. I return your brother's bounty, right?
Uzane amafaranga y'umuvandimwe wawe.
Vic, you let
Kuko utanyishyura ngo mfate Tommy, usohoke tugende.
How's that sound, Holmes?
Urabyumva uti?
Come on, Tommy, you okay? Get up.
Tommy ngiro tugende.
Get up, let's go.
Cuddy, shoot Tommy if you mean.
Tommy nahaguruka umurasi. Tommy bamubuza guhaguruka.
The question, so.
Kangubaza ikibazo su.
That you would ever be walking out of here.
Ese kuko waje utekereza kuri busohoke? Ibaza ariko.
Felix, get my fucking dough.
Felix, nzanira ayo mafaranga yanjye. Numufunga ariko nikaba wise nagaba wise amafaranga.
Fuck about your money.
Kura y'imbunda.
Don't you fuck him!
muvaho muri
Or I will blow her fuck.
igikobwa kiri hano bakita Felix cyangwa se Felix nyine
And playing game.
Felix ku cya Mitsingi.
Go you fucking wanted. Let me come and go. Real simple. Yeah?
reka Tom agenda asohoke ni ibintu byoroshye.
Think I give a fuck?
nushaka kurasa iyo bitch ntabwo byitayeho.
No offense, Felix.
If you guys have a clean shot, shoot this.
nimba muri kumubona ariko mwamurashe mvi ninja.
You just put your money on the wrong color, so. Fuck you, I'll do it! Fuck you, stay back, you motherfucker!
usubire inyuma cyangwa umuginga murasa Felix.
Stay back!
Felix akuruka akantu k'amashanyarazi ke.
Go ahead!
gira Felix. yo zehe zehe kura amenyo zehe bamukuye amenyo do niko
You really are a gangster, aren't you?
ariko uri gangster baramukome cyari mu kabari sore bamufashe.
Big boy, hold that for me, would you?
Big Bo mfasha gutya. Big Bo.
So that must have hurt, man.
So menye wababaye cyane.
Women, it's like they always go for our nuts. I know. You do know what's gonna happen next, though, right?
Wabuze ikintu bagiye gukorera gikurikiye.
You got pretty good idea.
Mfite igitekerezo cyiza.
You may be a little scared.
Ufite ubwoba ariko.
Yeah.
Yego.
Actually, I am.
Ubwoba ndabufite.
Oh, man. That's honesty.
Yavugishije ukuri.
I like that.
Ndabikunze kuvugishije ukuri. Ntabwo bisobanuka ko babari ariko n'ururara rw'urusaza.
The boss has sent my boys out to die.
Bari boss umuvandimwe yari yatumye abahungu banjye ngo bapfe. Ntabwo nari kumubabarira.
Yes.
Yego.
I shot that piece of shit, brother.
Umuvandimwe wawe ni njye wamwirasiye. Ndetse n'ubu nabisubiramo.
Business.
Ntabwo byari bikirakaza.
Because he was an evil piece of shit.
Umuvandimwe namurashe kuko yari sekibi. Akaba akwereka uko byagenze.
But after all the years, you walked the line for me.
Muzehe niwe wandasiye umuvandimwe burya.
Tell me the truth.
Bwa nyuma nanjye mubwije ukuri.
But about murdering my brother.
Cyerekeranye n'urupfu rw'umuvandimwe wanjye.
That's you. Let him walk out.
Ninjye ushaka reka suwafe anagende.
I always knew that it was you.
Iteka nari mbizi ko ari we wamurashe.
Watching him suffer.
Ugiye kubabara n'uriya umubona ababara.
Can you hold that?
Fasha gutya.
You see this black beauty right here?
Urabona uyu mukobwa ubona w'umwirabura?
Trained in the school for the Americans.
Yize mu kigo cy'abanyamerika.
Devious motherfucker.
Kigamo abantu babi cyane.
And do fucked up shit.
Ni ikigo bigishirizamo abantu gutoteza abantu n'iyicarubozo. Icyo kigo nicyo yaminujemo.
Hell. Loves to torture.
Uyu mukobwa akunda kwicuruboza abantu no kubatoteza. Nyagasani. We, umukobwa uri hano ngo yaminuje muri kaminuza yigisha iby'itoteza. Afata insinga, urebe kaminuza n'amashuri yize ibyo bikora. Afata insinga dore ahantu yamanuye hasi hariya acomekaho insinga za electrogaze hasi. Afatisha no kumano.
No, Felix, I was thinking.
Tamira none icyo giti kugira ngo atadusakuriza bamutamika igiti adasakuza.
Tonga, bite the wood, motherfucker.
Mukobwa aramutuka atamira icyo giti.
Good telephone. They use it on unruly prisoners back in the old South.
Yeah.
Distance phone call. That's how they phrased it. Baby girl.
Tururi.
Light 'em up.
Yeah. Hey. Sori baramushiririza hasi hariya no kwino. Umugabo yahise amenya apfa. Niyicaruboza uyu mukobwa ngo nibyo yigiye yaraminuje. Nibitseho impamyabumenyi minerivare yo mu rugo niyayi. Baze nk'ababyeyi baba baramwohereje muri iyo kaminuza.
Yes, suffer.
Yeah. Kubita ikindi gishinge. Iyo ugiye gupfa bagukubita ikindi gishinge cya adrenaline ukayitongera ugakanguka.
2.
Kabiri.
1.
Rimwe. Bakongera bakagukangura. Ayandi magambo nuko kwica waba ugiye gupfa uri kugenda bakakuzura bakongera bakakwica, bakuzura bakwica bakuzura. Urumva urwego ibintu bimaze kugeraho.
Baby girl.
Baby girl.
Not long this is.
Ongera utwike.
Do anything.
Mwana mwibikora.
Light 'em up.
Ye, kukanya batarongera. Arwinji. Shiri munda zanyu hasi nona. Nona.
Oh shit.
Ske.
Fucking jujitsu, I was telling you.
Wa mujinga jujitsu navugaga. Bamwita jujitsu kubera ari indwanyi cyane bamwitira tekinike y'amaninja bita jujitsu.
Don't want to hurt anyone. Just want the money. Bitch in the purple. Get over.
Kumbe yazanye na babandi bakorera wa mugore twabonye Maurice. Twe turashaka umufungo nta kindi.
Oh, you two in the back. Untie them, both of them. Untie them now. I'm not fucking about.
I will shoot you.
Think I get a shot before? Place some faces, motherfucker. I'll find you. Gonna turn around at 6'5".
Amwaje hose nazababona nababonye amasura.
Bang bang.
Shut the fuck up and
funga umunwa ariko.
Man, shoot that bitch.
That's it, bitch. Tararasana. Masas. Fire. Hey. Munyubako. Masas. Muzehe yarashe Tommy. Tommy baje gutabara. Dore ngararaswa. Yeah. Masas. Tommy ararashwe. Yeah. Masas. Hey. Fanu ugende Golden Boy kuba mwita. Ndagukura hano mwana. Ndagukura hano. Kobwa. Hey. Felix. Yeah. Fanu ugende.
Let go. Let it turn down here for fucking up to it. Come on this way.
Fata amafaranga yakure hano ugende. Tommy baje gutabara nuko yapfuye. Uyu yari yanze kumutererana nk'iniga ye yamubaye hafi avuga ati shumi yanjye sinayitererana. Tururi. Hey. Masas. Yeah. Yeah. Bize bite. Rabizi twagiye. Masasu. Mu nyubako barapfa umufungo. Hey. Fire. Yeah. Birabireba zakurino. Byakomeye. Fatira imbunda arababona. Bona ikishe Tommy hakurya. Kivayo. Arananiwe. Kura y'imbunda. Gikobwa kivayo. Uyafata umufunga ari manukira. Fasha umufunga ari manukira nta gusiga umufunga inyuma. Hey. Use wabujyanye. Wabumanutse ibaze kumanuka nta mufunga umanukanye. Yakurebeye ikigoryi. Sasu. Sasu. Mori. Uko byagenze. Yeah. Felix, uyu ngo yaraminuje. Hey. Ni ninja yaminuje mu bugome. Umusa tumanuke. Turori. Gikobwa kiri hano. Kitaragira. Turore. Masasu. Hey. Bana basore ba Maurice. Basore ba Maurice. Hey. Fire. Hey. Bacho. Yeah. Bano nuko basotse. Wabwira hano. Yigiza kara akajaye. Sasu. Bano nuko bavuyeyo. Torore. Ko kanya ruparitse ni Maurice. Yes, Chris French. Wakoze ibiki yagiye gutabaza wahoze ari sheri.
Save your ass, get in.
Man, twumvikanye kari mu gutabara. Nshira modoka. Mwe bayiro bishyuza. Ngo yahoze ari sheri we kera. Nas. Fakuza nyine. Yeah, nuko bamanutse. Yeah. yahanukiye datinze cyagomba gukorwa no kujya gushyingura Tommy cyangwa se Thomas.
I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna head back towards Vegas.
nabizi ngiye gusubira Las Vegas.
Man, what can I tell you? We're getting along these days. Can you imagine?
Why is she mellow with age then?
Yeah, maybe she has. Maybe she has.
subire no kureba uriya mugore uyu wagiye kureba uriya mugore yosubire Las Vegas.
Is it, and it's time I bring a little balance into my life, yeah?
ungiye kora ko naza n'uburinganire mu buzima bwanjye mbega tuza bari hamwe.
Did it too with Tommy, mate.
It's okay, French. You don't need to apologize.
Beze soft French na move gusaba imbabazi.
It's not your fault, right? We did the best we could, Tommy.
Sana ubwo byabaye yapfuye twakoze uko dushoboye.
By the way, you remember what I said about me and Tommy?
Uribika icyo nakubwiye hati yanjye na Tommy?
Well, we go way back, you know.
Je nawe urabizi twari ibyo twanyuranyemo na Tommy.
Together, but me and him never went through what you and I
ariko
went.
ibyo twanyuranyemo ntabwo birenze ibyo nanyuranyemo nawe.
Anything you want, anytime, anywhere.
Aho wankenerera igihe icyo ari cyo cyose wankenerera nzaba mpari ku bwawe uzampamagare.
It's funny you should say that actually because
Birasekeje ko bivuze kuko
I phone call this morning from my old boss.
hari umwe mu bakire banjye ba kera wamamagaye uyu munsi
For gigging the East Coast and
muri East Coast ngo hari akazi kadutegereje.
I'm head out there.
Hano bari muri West Coast ngo muri East Coast ngo babahamagaye.
You didn't have to take me up on it so quick, French.
Mane birihuse cyane kuhita unjyana mu kandi kazi.
East Coast, you know, it's cold.
Urabizi muri East Coast harakonja kandi ndashaje.
Vegas.
Nkeneye kujya Vegas hashyushyemo.
Come on.
Ndashaje nyine ahantu hashyushye.
Hey, mate, yeah? Come on.
Security or collection?
More like collection, I think.
Mbega ni uburyo bwo kwishyuza n'ubundi tugiyemo.
And it told me he hates the job.
I do it.
Warambwiye ngo wanga
But
akazi.
it's like you said,
Ntabwo uzi ibyo wambwiye.
pretty good at it.
Wambwiye ko akazi ngashoboye neza cyane.
But you think you're getting too old for it?
Okay.
Se nimba wumva ushaje akazi utagashobora. Yabizi.
I'm good.
Meze neza. Koko akazi barakemeye.
Self, old man.
Sawa muzee. Akazi barakemeye. Wibuke iki ni igice cya kabiri. Ubwo igice cya gatatu nimba bazabagiye kwishyuza hehe. Ubwo nacyo ni kiza bazatu. Mwana waguze akamodoka kandi. Ubuka amafaranga nibo bayatwaye yose.
It's a small block.
Uyu mugabo amwoko y'imodoka bayazi mwana. Iyi modoka ni AMX mwana.
Jesus, French, this is beautiful.
Mwana imodoka ni nziza French.
Maybe you meet and greet never heard.
Abonye akamodoka keza n'ubwa mbere mubonye mu modoka nziza kuva yamumenye.
May I?
Yeah. Mwana reka ntware amuha kontaki. Kanyitwareho umwana nawe utware hari.
You're right.
Musaza akunda amamodoka yese yakumunyenga.
I'm rubbing off on you a little bit, yeah? A little bit.
Yeah. Zinjiye imodoka. Abana bafashe inzira berekere akabakitaga debt collectors. Wumvaga bamwita Rocky ndetse na plaque yanditseho kariba arabishyuzi. Nabapesesha. Muzedura kirye rikaba nariho. Kahita afunga n'isambusa. Igice cya gatatu ni kiza nzababwira. United yari kazanye. Zikomeje kubagezaho filime n'aba DJ mwese wo muri ndetse na Rock Entertainment. Imana bo mugisha ubwo filime nyinshi n'amaseri mutabonye iki cyumweru naho icyumweru gitaha. Ciao ciao. Mwibutse wazireba ku gasobanuye 250.com. Ciao ciao.
New Class Car Wash, iki nicyo kinamba cya mbere muri Kigali mu koza imodoka mu buryo bugezweho, modern car washing. Dukoresha machine kabuhariwe nka high pressure machine, polishing machine, high pressure steam machine n'izindi nyinshi. Imodoka yazirabutswe isohoka irabagirana. Kuri za moteri ho umurabyo uratinda, turazoza zigasubira ibushya. By'akarusho kandi dusimoniza irangi ry'imodoka igasubira n'ubwiza bwayo. Kuri wowe ufite amatapi yaba yo mu nzu, New Class Car Wash niyo gisubizo. Ku bindi bisobanuro mwadusanga i Remera ku Gisimenti ku muhanda wa KG 176 ku gipangu cya 27. Kuri telefoni waduhamagara kuri 0788 506 338. New Class Car Wash.